Hi, this is Michael Vanderyacht, and this is the last video on the reproductive system of the cat. Okay, so I had a male cat, so I'll start down here at the bottom. This is the scrotum right here. It's actually covered in hair, and the prepuce or the foreskin is right in here, and then also the glans penis here. So that's right in here, you can see it, kind of moving it around a little bit. And then as you come up, you can see this is the spermatic cord right here, and the testicle, or the testes, I should say. This is just one of them, and then this splits open. I can get it to stay open. Right, there we go. And then right in here is the epididymis, and then up here a little bit higher is the pampniform plexus, and then like I said, those both connect to the spermatic cord, which continues on up. And then once we get up a little bit higher, you can see the abdominal wall here. Here's the vas deferens. This is the urinary bladder right here. And then right down here you can see this red. If I can get underneath it. Here we go. This is the internal spermatic artery right here. So this runs all the way down. This is the blood supply to all of this. Out of the urinary bladder is the urethra. I'm just going to kind of pull this out so you can see it. You can see where it's attached right here. I'm kind of moving it around. And then a little bit farther down, underneath this, right there, is the prostate gland. Kind of underneath this bone right here. It's the prostate gland. That's kind of attached to the urethra. And then coming down towards the penis, this is the cura of the penis, and then down even farther is the shaft of the penis. So that's the reproductive system of the male. The reproductive system of the female is actually, she doesn't have as many components as the male does, and it's actually set up higher. So a lot of the things are the same. For example, the urinary bladder and things like that, and the urethra coming down, except it wouldn't have a scrotum. It would be connected to a vaginal opening down here and a broad ligament. But up here, up more towards the kidney, actually right underneath the kidney, there's kind of a coil, and those coils are the ovaries. They kind of come up, and then attached to the ovaries is the fallopian tube, and then those both come down. They're held there. Actually, the ovaries are held in place by what's called the ovarian ligament, which obviously you can't see on this because it's a male cat. And then those both come down towards this way, and then there's a uterus right in here. Obviously, the male does not have the uterus, so it's kind of right where the vas deferens is where the uterus sits, actually. So, but yeah, so this is the male. You got scrotum, and then you've got the penis is on the inside. This is the shaft, the cura, the testes, and this is where the epididymis is where the sperm is actually held. And this is actually one. There's actually another one on this side, and that comes up. You can use the wall, vas deferens, urinary bladder, and obviously urine comes down from the kidney via the ureter and fills up into the urinary bladder, drains from the urinary bladder into the urethra, and it comes down with the urethra, attaches to the penis, and then comes out right there at the end. So that's the reproductive system of the cat.